Crazy, bro. The case, you know, just a regular Corsair power supply. 3060. Last little piece, just 2 sticks of RAM, 16 gigs in total. Tis unboxing time. First, we're gonna unbox the motherboard. I'll just put this to the side for now. Little thing. Guide right here, perfect. IO shield. Wires. I don't know what these are. I'll figure it out. And the motherboard. Ooh. Ooh. I don't want to break it. In all its greatness. There it is. Oh. Things. Okay, I'm actually like kind of scared of this part. Have I locked it? I think it's locked. It's not Vulcan RAM sticks. Very cool. Very nice. Lifetime warranty. Gonna keep this just in case. RAM installed. Next up. Welcome back. So what we did, we installed the motherboard into the PC. Yeah, And we unboxed the power supply. And now it's time to unbox the graphics card. Where are we opening this? Ooh, beauty. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. We're back. I just did some of the wiring. Moment of truth. It's plugged in. Yep. Yo! It works! All the lights connected. Fresh. All the fans work. GPU fans work. Ooh! We got a boot. Alright. Setup is starting. We'll cut when something interesting happens. Alright, now that we know it boots, I did a little bit of cable management. It's not the best, but you won't see it anyways because I got my panel. Screw panel. Well. First time building a PC, first time booting it up and it booted. I think that's a pretty good success. Last step is to do the peel. Peel this off as well. Ooh, much better. Very clean. Yo! As I'm editing this video, it's going pretty good. It's only going to be about like 10 minutes long. Let's take a look at this PC. I've been using it for like about a month now. It's working really well. Yeah, no problems. Anyways, back to the video. Look at that.